Welcome to the JavaScript full course. In this series, you will learn JavaScript step by step. We will start from the very basics and go all the way to advanced topics. By the end, you will be ready to build real-world projects using JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. If HTML is the structure and CSS is the design, then JavaScript is the brain. It adds life to websites by making them interactive. Without JavaScript, websites are static. With JavaScript, we can add animations, buttons, sliders, and forms that respond to users. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. If you want to become a web developer, you must learn JavaScript. It is not just for websites. You can use it for mobile apps, desktop apps, and even server-side development with Node.js. Learning JavaScript opens the door to jobs, freelancing, and startups. You see JavaScript everywhere. On websites like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Mail. It powers video players, chat systems, and buttons. It is also used for mobile apps with React Native and for back-end servers with Node.js. JavaScript runs inside your browser's engine, like V8 in Chrome. It is single-threaded, meaning it runs one task at a time, but with features like async and promises, it can handle multiple tasks efficiently. We will explore this in later videos. To start coding, install Visual Studio Code as your editor. Install Node.js to run JavaScript outside the browser, and use the Browser Console for quick testing. Let's start by running JavaScript directly inside the browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any modern browser. Right-click anywhere on the page, choose Inspect, and then click on the Console tab. Now, let's type our very first line of code, console.log, open brackets, quotation marks, hello world, close quotation, close brackets, and semicolon. Press Enter, and you'll see Hello World printed right here in the console. Congratulations, you just ran your first JavaScript program. Now let's try the same program inside Visual Studio Code. First, I'll create a new file, and name it app.js. Inside this file, I'll type the exact same code, console.log, open brackets, quotation marks, hello world, and close it with a semicolon. Now I'll save the file. Next, let's run it. I'll open the built-in terminal and versus code. Here, I'll type node app.js and press Enter. And there it is, hello world printed in the terminal. This means we can now run JavaScript outside the browser, directly on our computer using Node.js. In this video, you learned what JavaScript is, why it is important, and how it works. We set up the environment and wrote our first program. In the next video, we will learn about variables and data types, which are the foundation of every JavaScript program.